When it comes to creating high-quality video content, lighting is a crucial component. That's where streaming LED key lights come in. These lights are designed to provide consistent and adjustable illumination, ensuring that your videos look professional and polished. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best streaming LED key lights you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Godox ES45 key light, our number 5 on the list, is perfect for making your streams stand out. Say goodbye to harsh shadows and hello to beautiful, glowing skin with the soft light panel that reduces shadows on your face and in the background. Not only that, but the gentle lighting is also easy on the eyes, designed to reduce fatigue from prolonged screen time. Control your lighting setup with ease thanks to the magnetic auto-charging remote controller that can adjust the brightness and color temperature in real time and can also be detached and used alone. With an adjustable max 2,500 lumen output and a 2,800 to 6,500 K color temperature, the ES45 kit is versatile enough to fit any streaming environment. The extendable desk stand is also designed with your comfort and style in mind, featuring adjustable knobs and screws to fit different tables, free rotation to desired angles, and a neat and organized tabletop. Get the Godox ES45 key light for $119 and take your streaming game to the next level. Upgrade your lighting game with Elgato Keylight Air, our top-notch product ranking at number 4 on the list. Say goodbye to unprofessional-looking camera feeds and hello to state-of-the-art industrial-grade LED technology. The Keylight Air features 80 premium OSRAM LEDs that deliver constant intensity while remaining cool for hours, providing you with the perfect lighting setup to work without breaking a sweat. With 40 warm and 40 cold LEDs, you can enjoy full-spectrum white lighting that makes everything look professional. Not only that, but the edge-lit LED architecture and multi-layer diffusion technology provide indirect, ultra-soft illumination that is gentle on your eyes. This Wi-Fi-enabled lighting system is easily adjustable via the app. The Keylight Air provides 1,400 lumens of illumination that can be dimmed to a subtle glow, while the color temperature can be adjusted from sunset amber to Arctic blue 2,900 to 7,000 K. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your workspace and camera feed with the Keylight Air, available for just $115. Presenting the Dazzne D50 key light, our number 3 choice for an excellent LED studio light. With 45 watts high-quality bulbs, you can adjust the brightness from 0% to 100% and regulate the color temperature from 3,000 warm to 8,000 K cold, giving you complete control over your lighting. The 15.4 inches super lighting panel with a 120 degrees beam angle ensures even and well-distributed lighting for your shoot. What's more, the Dazzne D50 key light features an LCD display and a wireless remote, allowing you to control every parameter from the comfort of your seat. The desk mount and soft diffuser further add to its functionality, enabling you to mount the light on your desk with a C-clamp that fits thicknesses from 0.8 to 3.1 inches. The dual power modes are also a standout feature. The power adapter ensures a stable power supply, while the rechargeable Li-ion batteries allow you to use the panel light for outdoor shooting. Get your hands on the Dazzne D50 Keylight today for just $123 and capture every beautiful moment with ease. Let us shed some light on the Neewer Keylight Streaming Light, our number 2 pick for all your streaming needs. Introducing the Neewer 2-pack GL1 key light with app-adjustable features that are compatible with Mac, PC, iOS, and Android. With 45 watts and 2,800 lumens of power, this adjustable video light provides between 2,900 to 7,000 K of color temperature options. To ensure optimum performance, please take note of the following. For Android phone users, kindly enable the GPS function prior to use. Additionally, It is vital to avoid covering the GL1 to allow proper heat dissipation, preventing overheating and prolonging its service life. For Windows PC users, you will need to do the initial setup on your phone before connecting it to your GL1. On the other hand, Mac users can easily download the Neewer Live software from the App Store and connect to the GL1 via Bluetooth. To use the Elgato Stream Deck, kindly ensure that your Neewer Live PC Matey version is up to date. Priced at $121, the Neewer Keylight streaming light is a fantastic addition to your streaming setup. Upgrade your streaming game with the Logitech for Creators Keylight, our top pick at number 1. Say goodbye to unflattering lighting and hello to natural skin tones and a radiant look thanks to Logitech's TrueSoft technology. With balanced, full-spectrum LED light and cinematic color accuracy, you'll have pro-level streaming quality every time. For infinite creative possibilities, the Litra Beam light for content creation features an innovative beam design that lets you shape and direct light in unique ways to illuminate your story. Plus, the slim and elegant design fits perfectly on your desktop, making it easy to achieve professional lighting effects in any space. With 5 brightness and 5 color temperature settings 2000, 700 to 6500K, you can fine-tune your on-camera look to match your environment. And with easy access to your favorite settings using onboard controls or through the G Hub desktop app, you can customize your lighting on the fly. For only $94, the Litra Beam has cleared even the strictest UL testing guidelines for all-day streaming, so you can stay safe and comfortable while you create. Upgrade your content creation game with the Logitech for Creators Keylight and Litra Beam Light today. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.